All right, everyone, our last lesson for Chapter 6 focuses on the suffixes graphy and logy, very much a part of scientific and academic suffixes. You'll find these words appear, or these suffixes appear. And we're trying to determine the rule for these just as we were for the suffixes beginning with the vowel I. Can you identify any stress patterns in the words with these suffixes? Let's take a listen. You can listen to CD2 track 10 as well. Biography, geography, bibliography, ecology, technology, radiology. Any pattern that you guys are able to identify? Words with the suffixes graphy and logy stress the syllable immediately before the suffix, just like how we saw with the previous suffixes. So we have a pattern that's consistent. The vowel sound in the syllable right before the suffix is the one that's going to be stressed. Very good. Make sure you include that in your notes, and hopefully that'll guide you through these multi-syllable words in terms of where to put the word stress. Now, our last example are suffixes from French. Derivatives in French. These endings, what is the stress pattern for these? Trustee, refugee, trainee, volunteer, career, engineer, Lebanese, Cantonese, Viennese, technique, antique, unique. So words with these suffixes, deriving from French, these suffixes, the stress falls within the suffix itself, within or on the actual suffix itself, or the vowel sound in the suffix itself. That's that rule. In words with French suffixes, the stress falls on, in, or within the suffix itself. So if you want additional practice, you can do exercises 6 and 7 and place circles above the syllable with primary stress. And just refer back to your notes if you want to double check and make sure. Unique opportunity, confidential information, democratic majority, financial situation, scientific career, pharmacology, technician. Now, careful with pharmacology. You have secondary stress on the first vowel sound, but your primary stress, just as we looked at, is going to go on the vowel on the syllable right before the suffix. Pharmacology, technician. Technology, revolution. Geographic, separation. So put the circle, the large circle, above the syllable where you hear primary stress, and then you can listen to CD2 track 13 and play around with the base word and take note of how when you add these suffixes, the stress shifts over to the syllable that comes right before the suffix. Economy, forgive me, I forgot to use these. Economy, economics, economical, photograph, photography, photographic. And notice how the vowel sounds in the other unstressed syllables get reduced to that schwa, so that the syllable with the stressed vowel is emphasized and is more clear. Got to reduce the other ones to make the stress vowel sound stand out. Music, musician, musical, geography, geographer, geographic, mechanism, mechanic, mechanical, electric, electrician, electrical. So we can find that, as is the case with many of these suffixes, the syllable right before the suffix gets stressed, and with words deriving from French, these words, the word stress is in the suffix itself. So hopefully that's helpful for you in pronouncing these multi-syllable words, and that you can do so with more confidence now in English.